Hi everyone, I just sat down for breakfast. It is 2 p.m. Today I'm having coffee. I'm gonna mix my creamer in it, and then I have a blueberry muffin. That's the only muffin left. Yum. And then I'm gonna have that with a side of Advil because my cramps are so bad today. I'm gonna be filming a vlog over the next couple days. I've been adjusting into my new apartment, getting into a new routine, and getting used to living by myself. My sleep schedule has been so bad recently. I've been going to sleep at like 3 or 4 a.m. and then waking up at like noon, which is so unlike me. I am not that type of person at all, but it's so hard to adjust my sleep schedule back to what it was. The other thing though is I don't want to worry about that because it's summer. You know, I just want to live my life. The other day I went with my friend Zhirelle to the mall and we picked up 2 mugs, and then I also got a berry basket. I'm like obsessed with kitchen stuff right now. Every time I see cute kitchen stuff, I like have to get it. I'm like, this would look so good in my cabinet. Today I need to go to the grocery store. My fridge is empty, so I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then finish getting ready, and then I think we're gonna go to Trader Joe's. Haul time. Grocery store hauls have become my favorite to film. First, flowers. I'm gonna be decorating my apartment in my next video, which is probably already up, and I really want to put flowers on my kitchen table. And now for the huge bag. We stuffed it all into one bag. I got mushrooms. These scones, so far I've only tried the vanilla ones, so I was like, I need to try blueberry. Bananas, tomatoes, nectarines, pasta sauce, the best ravioli, a big bag of oats, this frozen margarita pizza, and we got veggie patties. I'm excited to make these vegetarian burgers. I have avocados, I have bread, and that's it. The total was like $48. $43, wow. That is not bad. Oh my gosh, and there were 13 items in my transaction. That's my lucky number. I try to keep these Trader Joe's bags because I want to bring them back to the store when I go get groceries again, but I always forget. So I need to keep these like in my car or something. So I live about 35 minutes away from home now, so instead of me going all the way down there or Enzo coming all the way up here, we decided to meet in the middle for dinner, and we had sushi. It was so good. And we also decided to see a movie. Rate that movie out of 10. I liked it. I think it was like an 8, 8.5. It was long.
If it was probably like an hour and a half shorter.
Yeah, it was pretty long. It was good though. I spent my morning filming a video, decorating my apartment. That's what I've been working on all morning. It is 4:04. I also had breakfast, I had coffee and a banana, so I'm starving. Right now I just sat down for some leftover spaghetti. I told you guys I'm doing a summer class. I'm reading 3 more chapters of this book tonight and answering questions. It's not that bad, but it just takes a lot of time, you know? Every time I get my nails done, I make sure to take a picture of them so I can put them on my nails Instagram highlight. And then I also lit my new candle I just got from Target. It smells so good. I just like to transform my room a little bit when it's nighttime. And then I also decided to do some art. And here's my setup. I'm at the kitchen table. I'm using oil paint as usual. So I have all my paints lined up here, my towel. I had my Spotify going, and then here is my painting so far. It's coming along. I'm getting everything set up, and then I'm gonna go in later with all the details. I'm gonna clean up the kitchen next and take out the trash right now. I just got the kitchen cleaned. I wiped down the counters, I cleared out the sink and loaded the dishwasher. It looks so much nicer in here. I even washed my pots and pans. So I'm about to make the most delish veggie burger you've ever seen in your life. Look how delish. The only thing missing is a bun. I only had bread, so I toasted it. Pretty fire. It is 11:30 and I'm back from the gym, and I just stretched for like 15 minutes. I used to stretch before the gym, but I actually really like doing it afterwards. It just feels so good, and I am exhausted. So I'm gonna hop in the shower. I need to wash my hair tonight. Like, I feel like I do a lot during the day, but at the same time I don't do that much. The gym was good though. I'm really glad I went. I wasn't sure if I was gonna go tonight, but I'm glad I made it. So I'm gonna hop in the shower right now. I'm very excited. So it's the next day, and today I'm going home for the weekend. I usually go home like once a week to see my siblings, see my boyfriend. My room went to my sister, and she decorated it so cute. I go in there and I'm like, oh my god, it doesn't even look like the same room. They repainted. It looks so much better as her room. It's actually crazy. But I just hung out. It was super chill, super fun. It looks so much better. It's actually crazy. So I've been home for 2 days now, and then I'm staying tonight again because I have a hair appointment tomorrow. I also had a dermatologist appointment yesterday. I've just been visiting with my family, seeing my siblings. I saw Enzo yesterday. I saw some friends since I've been up here as well. It's been weird though, because this is like my first time coming home and sleeping at the house, but I don't have a room, so I sleep on the couch now. Tomorrow night I'll probably head back up to my apartment after I get my hair done. It's like all my stuff is here, like my doctors, my dentist, dermatologist, hairstylist, like everyone that I go to is here. So I'm just gonna come home for all my appointments. Tomorrow I'm gonna get a trim, I'm gonna get curtain bangs again, and highlights. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so expensive. I have an exciting trip coming up soon, which I will talk to you guys about in my next video probably. That's kind of why I'm getting my hair done too, because I have this trip coming up. But my plans got canceled for tonight. Right now it is 5:30. I want to do something, so I think I'm gonna go thrifting. I had some luck at the thrift store. I ended up getting this skirt. It's red, it's short, and it has pockets. So I was like, okay, why not? Okay guys, so I decided to make a night out of my night alone. I spend so much time alone, which I totally don't mind, but I don't know. Sometimes it's a little bit rougher than other times, but I don't want that tonight. I want to have a good time. So far it's been fun. I went to the beach, I watched the sunset, I walked around for a fucking while, like probably like an hour and a half. I was literally the last person at the beach. Like there was no one, which was such a vibe. I absolutely love that. I felt like I had the whole world to myself. The entire ocean was right there. I had my AirPods in. I've been listening to music a lot more recently. And then I drove to Cane's. Guys, Cane's has a special place in my heart. I crave it all the time at my apartment, but there's no Cane's close to me. So every time I come home, I'm like, I need Cane's. And also Blenders. I'm so excited. So I got It's 3 chicken tenders, it's toast, fries, and then sauce. And for the drink, I always get sweet tea. I don't drink soda. I am gonna enjoy this delish food. I'm gonna eat it right in my car, listen to my music, watch YouTube or something like that. Hi guys, so I'm back in my apartment and my hair is done. It looks so good. I'm so happy with it. Just went down to my mailbox to pick up my mail and I also got a package. I ordered this one. I've just been needing new gym clothes so bad. So I got 4 things. Oh, they're gorge. I got these shorts in pink in a size small. This top, it's a sports bra and it has an open back. And I got this to match with these leggings. Oh my God, these are so cute. This is gonna look so good together. I'm so excited. And I feel like having these cute gym clothes is gonna motivate me to go to the gym more. I got another pair of shorts and these are orange. I've been needing new gym clothes forever, so these are gonna be great. I'm so excited to work out now. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for staying until the end. I know this video was kind of all over the place, but I really missed filming these vlogs, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys soon in my next video and continue my apartment series and do more summer videos. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Mwah.